Hey, so you're looking to have a nice gaming desk set up, but you don't want to pay a premium for it? Might be balling on a budget? Let me show you how. This is my old setup. Good old Amazon special desk and chair. Although it did get the job done, not cutting it. Not ideal for gaming and sitting for long periods of time, as the chair is really uncomfortable after a while. The desk isn't deep enough, so that's why I have the screens in the corner so I can have somewhat of arm room and elbow room. Wires were just all over the place. It was definitely time for a change. So started taking everything apart. Got to work. Got everything cleared up here in the corner. Found this great standing desk frame. Nice, budget friendly. Always wanted to try one. The tabletop is a solid edge glued pine board. $65 for a board that's solid, as opposed to a laminate particle board from IKEA that's 4 times the price. I think it's a pretty good deal. It may not be the best wood, but it's big enough and solid enough to get the job done. And as far as chairs go, this was a very good deal on an office chair that won't be as brutal on my back for long periods of time. So now to get the board all nice and ready, got to cut it down the size, as I'm a little bit limited on room where I'm trying to have it. Clear coated it, now just got to sand it and polish it, buff it out, make it nice and smooth. And we're going to get ready to set it all up. Here is it assembled. Even got to make a little PC stand with the extra part that got cut off. Came in handy. Make some use for every bit that you have. I think it came out pretty good. Here's a little bit better angle on it with the lighting. Didn't use it for the PC, but was able to use it for the printer, and was a perfect fit on this little dresser stand I have. As for the chair, fully assembled, it is extremely comfortable to sit in compared to that Amazon chair I was using before. And for almost the same cost as what that Amazon special was, this was way better. And here is the final definitely a much more enjoyable gaming setup to be at. And even made another table, a second one, with a different stand and tabletop as well, and even added some outlets in it. The second table, I had used a different standing desk frame, which is surprisingly quiet. Both of them are very quiet for the price that you get them for. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found some useful information out of this as well. And we will see you in the next one.